upbeat music plays. Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make your purchasing decisions easier than finding the last slice of pizza at a party. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of steam mops. On the left, we have the Bissell Steam Mop, your cleaning superhero, ready to save the day while also saving pets. And on the right, we have the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop, the budget-friendly option that promises to clean without the harsh chemicals. Let's kick things off with the price. The Bissell is going to set you back about $102, while the BLACK+DECKER is practically begging you to take it home for just $49. Reviewers rave about the affordability of the BLACK+DECKER, stating that it's a great option for budget-conscious buyers. On the other hand, while some Bissell users acknowledge the higher price, they still feel it offers good value due to its efficient cleaning capabilities. Now, let's talk about cleaning power. The Bissell boasts that it can eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria without using harsh chemicals. Reviewers have praised it for its effectiveness in cleaning various types of flooring, especially in homes with pets. Meanwhile, the BLACK+DECKER heats up in just 30 seconds and is also chemical-free, making it a quick option for cleaning. However, some users noted that it may require multiple pads for larger jobs. Feature time. The Bissell Steam Mop has a 12-inch cleaning path and an onboard spot boost brush, making it a favorite among users with messy households. Reviewers love its swivel head and ease of use. On the flip side, the BLACK+DECKER has a swivel head as well, which makes maneuvering around furniture a breeze. However, some users felt that it lacked certain features that could enhance its cleaning efficiency. Let's chat about cords. The Bissell comes with a 25-foot cord, which many reviewers love for its reach, allowing them to clean larger areas without constantly switching outlets. However, the BLACK+DECKER sports a 12-foot cord, which some users found limiting, especially in larger spaces. Reviewers have mentioned that the shorter cord can be a drawback, but it's manageable in smaller living areas. Filling the water tank on the Bissell is a breeze with the included measuring cup, which has received positive feedback from users for its convenience. Meanwhile, the BLACK+DECKER is noted for its ease of assembly and use, but some reviewers pointed out that its water tank is not removable, making refills a bit inconvenient. Overall, both mops are praised for their user-friendliness, but the Bissell has a slight edge here. In summary, both steam mops have their strengths and weaknesses. The Bissell Steam Mop is highly rated for its powerful cleaning capabilities and features, making it a great choice for those who prioritize effectiveness. On the other hand, the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop is favored for its affordability and ease of use, although it may not have the same level of performance as the Bissell. Each product has garnered a mix of positive and negative reviews, reflecting the diverse experiences of users. So what's the verdict? If you're looking to save pets while you clean and don't mind spending a bit more, the Bissell Steam Mop is your go-to choice. But if you're on a budget and want a mop that dances around your furniture, the BLACK+DECKER is your new best friend. Remember folks, whether you go for the Bissell or the BLACK+DECKER, both will help you keep those floors sparkling clean while making your wallet a little happier. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which mop you'd choose and why. Until next time, keep buying smart.